How to turn on or turn off camera view outside the frame on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on settings. Now in the settings page, we scroll down, then tap on camera. Next, scroll down, and in here, go to the composition section and tap on view outside the frame. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. And that's it. Once you turn it on, you can open up your camera app and you'll be able to view the pictures outside the frame. So the view outside the frame feature on the iPhone is a camera enhancement that allows you to see a wider scene than is captured in the actual frame. So you'll be able to see out here. Now you need to point your camera at a landscape further away. When it is close up, then you will not see outside the frame. When enabled, these features display a portion of the scene that lies outside the boundaries of the camera viewfinder. And this can be useful for composing shots, framing moving subjects, and capturing more of the scene. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.